How's it going, everyone? Welcome to week 8 of the course. So I mentioned last week that Alamo Colleges is a bit different. If you're taking a Flex 2 course, the first couple of days of week 8 are supposed to be lecture, and then you move into actual finals week. So I have decided to make a slight modification to our schedule, which I'll tell you about at the end. But let's focus on what we actually need to get done this week. So after you watch this video, kind of make sure that anything you have past due, that you have that turned in, particularly any of the big things like the final coding project and whatnot. Remember that those are worth a good chunk of your grade. After that, remember that we have a few things that are due this Wednesday. Typically, we don't have anything due Wednesday, but the goal behind that is that way, hopefully, I can actually start to get caught up on grading and not become overwhelmed this weekend when grades are due on Monday. So the two things that we have due are kind of homework that was assigned last week, statistics and AI, along with the discussion board on ethics and AI. And it's also an overview of general AI. I posted exam 2 today. If you notice, I also only got the exam 2 review videos up today. So make sure to look at my solutions, watch the videos, and then take exam 2. But exam 2, of course, is not timed. So if I were you, I would have it downloaded while I was actually watching the review solutions. That way you could kind of fill in anything that may be helpful in parallel. And then in addition, I do want to do an additional lecture this week, an Intro to C lecture. However, originally we had talked about having a homework on that. I'm not going to have a homework because the odds are it won't get up till Wednesday. And I know the last thing anyone would want is to have a lecture during finals week, even though it's technically still a lecture week, and then have an assignment on it. So I hope you all watch it, but if you don't, I don't have any way to police that. So thank you for everyone. You've been doing an amazing job in the course, getting everything in. I'll probably record a summary video as well after I have everything graded, but I couldn't be more impressed by the work of a lot of you all. And in that summary video, we'll kind of go through the course objectives. Engineering 2304 is kind of a weird course. I know when they teach it at other campuses, they teach it like purely as a C course or purely as a Python course. But when we look at these learning objectives, what we're going to see is that kind of the variety of assignments that we did really allowed us to fulfill all of them. And as I mentioned in the final project lecture, I think really prepare you for the kind of general programming skills that you need throughout general engineering curriculums. So I hope you all had a wonderful semester. If you need anything, please reach out, and I'll talk to you soon.